much that swimming will offer you for fitness and fun that it's so worth the effort to learn to swim. But a quarter of the US population of adults can't swim, so you're not alone. We can help. That's what this course is all about, is empowering you and giving you the tools to be able to teach yourself to swim. My oldest student right now is 80 years old, and she's able to swim now. She's so excited. So congratulations on taking this step. You can do it. We are going to work on our glide. If you can master gliding on top of the water, it's going to make you feel much more comfortable because you're going to be more efficient when you're swimming. And then we're going to transition into exhaling underwater while we're gliding, so you can take a breath when you come out of the water. Then we'll move on to pop-up breaths, and we'll actually start to use our arms at that point. Pop-up breaths are taking a breath and going right back underwater. If you hold your breath, you won't be able to take a pop-up breath. So breathe and exhale. And then we'll move from that to freestyle, breathing on the side, and transition into a very efficient swimming stroke, primarily freestyle, but I will also show you the backstroke, because backstroke is great for taking a break from the freestyle. You can swim on your back. They really are very similar strokes. All right, so the most important thing is to make sure that you're streamlined throughout your stroke. You have to keep your head down, and as you see, my shoulders are turning, and there is a glide after each stroke. You have to have a pace when you're swimming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm doing some sighting. I wanted to show pop-up breaths. So this is how you can take a breath, keep your head up. Now this is a very exhausting way to swim. So the ideal way to swim is with your head straight down so you can be streamlined. As I go back into a streamlined position, you'll see that my legs slowly go back to right behind me. I don't recommend kicking, but your kicks will happen naturally. You want to focus on keeping your legs straight and make sure that your head's down and allowing your shoulders to roll as you pull through. Make sure every time you pull that water that you are gliding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can tell that each pull has enough power to maintain a glide. And the reason why there's enough power is because of the catch.